Good morning, guys. What is good? We finally got power back. We haven't had power for like over 12 hours, and last night we finally got power. And I was like, man, hey, the street is dry, my driveway is dry, and I need to do oil change on my vehicle cars. Yeah, first I'm gonna do my car, and I'm just warming up my truck right now. Drain my oil out now. Woo, turned it. And it's pretty black, honestly. I'm sorry, baby. I won't wait this long again, my love. We gotta take off this filter now. Let's see if it could take off with just my hands. Yep, I need my little tool. I use this tool sometimes. Pull the filter on, my guy. Hand tight, they say. Oh, my hands are cold. Now we do the fun part, putting the oil in. Our baby, she loves me now. I can feel it. She's more happy. Oh, okay. Free. They take your recycled oil for free. Time to do an oil change on my truck now. Ooh. Yeet. All done, brother. Time to start her up. Oh yeah. I wanted to film me putting oil in my truck, but I didn't get to. My GoPro died. Hey guys, I'll see y'all later. See you in the next video. Deuces.